Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, October 10, 2019. Here's your introduction to a new project at Snake Mountain Boat Works. She's a first decade of the 20th century, very special Adirondack Guide Boat that has been entrusted to us primarily for a bit of updating and refreshing throughout. Now here's a vessel that does not want to be stripped and stained and made to look new. Look at that patina. Well, I'll hand it off to RJ and he can talk to you about what his plan is for the boat.
I'm not going to strip it or stain it or any of that. I'm just sanding it with Scotch-Brite pads to rough up the varnish a little bit, and then I'm going to apply Sicken Cetal gloss and inside and out, and I don't know exactly how many coats I'm going to apply, but I'm going to go till it looks good.
Yeah, to look at her, you'd say, wow, why touch her? But if you look at her really closely, as closely as we can with this low-rent video camera, you see that she's had lots of use. She was restored once, I believe, in the 1980s. And by now, her varnish is looking a little tired in places. But we don't want to rob this wonderful guide boat of her patina, of the colors that she's taken on over time. So we agreed with her owners to focus on using the Scotch-Brite pads to remove accumulated dirt. Some of the spots where there is loose varnish. The beautiful part of using Sicken Cetal Marine is that it will fill and level in areas where there are voids in the varnish coating as we see it right now. So as you can guess, RJ has quite a task in front of him. Between the ribs, he's got to scrub it with the grain, not across the grain. So I haven't counted how many of those spaces there are, but there are, let's just say there are a lot. But we'll get it all scrubbed so that it is essentially a matte finish, and then begin applying the Sicken Cetal Marine, which will strengthen this wonderful hue that she's taken on over the last 40 years. So we'll keep you abreast of progress on our 1900 to 1910 Adirondack Guide Boat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.